Hey everyone, in this video I will be explaining how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started.
It's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually, and if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. On your desktop, right click on Roblox Player and select Open File Location. And then over here, right click on Roblox Player Launcher and select Properties. Then on the top, click on Compatibility tab. Over here, make sure if this is checked, run this program as administrator, uncheck it and click on Apply and OK. And also you can create a shortcut for Roblox Player Launcher on your desktop for you to be able to run it on your desktop. So to do that, just right click on it and select Show More Options, and then select Send to Desktop. If you're still having a problem, then you need to uninstall Roblox. So to do that, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open up Run. Type in there appwiz.cpl and click OK. Then the programs and features will open up. So in here you need to uninstall the Roblox Player and Roblox Studio. So just select them one by one and click on uninstall. Once you uninstall it, then try to log into your Roblox account and download it again. So select any game. Then click on download and install Roblox. You can also download it direct from Microsoft Store. So to do that, head over to Microsoft Store and try to download the Roblox. As Microsoft Store version is more stable. Once you download it, make sure to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, log into your account and try. Hopefully it should be working fine. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.